I'm going to go over here, Polygon, and click on the Polygon tool, and then you see that same as the circle, I still can choose how many sides my polygon has. So right now it's only 6. I'm going to draw the first one, 6. Then go here, you can see the reference from that. It could be the center of that piece, and also I can use the different corner, but it's still the center would be one thing that I can use for my reference. So I'm going to go here and use that reference. I'm going to go over here, and for example, clicking on this side, and then here I can adjust and input the radius. So for example, this one will be 8, and then from that part, before I go to drawing, like for example, next one, I'm going to escape here, and instead of 6 side, I'm going to use 10 side. And now this whole thing will be 10 side instead of 6. Again, if I want to change the number of side, I press escape, go back to the previous menu, and now here, what I can do is that, like for example, type 3 instead. And now when I'm going to draw, basically a triangle instead of polygon. And let's say, for example, I'm going to save this one, and if I increase the number to, let's say, like 25, 26, what's going to happen is that it's going to be very close to a circle. Now let's try to use a push and pull tool here. So I'm going to go here and then click on the push and pull and start pulling out this object. So that's going to be like a simple rectangle. I'm going to be creating this and this one, and this one. And as you can see, even if this one is close, we can choose the side to like 26 or something. It's very close to a circle. But when I compare it with the similar circle with the same sides or same lines, you see that here what happened is that if I go back to the selection tool, here is only one surface, and the whole surface is basically work as a side of this object. But here I have the option of multiple surface that you can see. I can either go here and then press and hold Control and then start selecting all those surface, or let's say for example, and then delete that. So now I have like this opening on this side of the view, or if I Control Z this piece, I start pushing and pulling things on one side or the other side, and that creates more like a complex geometry and doing many complex things as I wish.